Good afternoon. It's been a while. Thought I would make a video, and this is going to be about a 2.5-year review of my nutsack. This is a Nutsac TacPac 13. It's big enough to carry my MacBook Air, of course, my iPad, my concealed carry pistol. Even although I wouldn't carry all of them at the same time, or really would I carry the MacBook with a pistol in here or anything else. It's big enough for one primary thing. So first the review. I've had this for a couple years. I use it every single day. It keeps everything that I like to carry every day. Sometimes I don't want to carry everything on my belt, so that stuff comes off and goes in here. First, the materials, top shelf. These are really good stuff. This canvas, it's waxed canvas, very heavy duty, very nice. It's got developed this nice patina over the years from carrying. It's been rained on, it's been splashed, everything. My stuff inside has never gotten wet, even though I really did worry about that. The leather is also very nice, top shelf. All the materials that these nutsacks are made out of is sourced in the United States. So it's not made in the USA with international materials. There's no Chinesium on these bags. The stitching is excellent. The bottom, of course, is leather. I put a little jojoba oil on this once in a while. Jojoba oil. But as you can see, it just has these two D-rings on the back of the pack, and the strap can snap off or snap back on. The strap is adjustable on both sides, so you can make this. This is just about. It'll get a little shorter than this, but I typically carry this almost every single time as a sling pack, which I'm probably going to be buying soon. A nutsack sling. I'm not sure which one yet. Now I got to tell you, I like this well enough that I bought one for each daughter, and I just bought one for my wife. Just because we carry so much stuff, and this bag is so durable. It does everything I want it to do. The zippers, also very high quality. As you can see, you have zippers. I'm going to go ahead and open this flap, which also has these little magnets. It has magnets in the lid, and it has magnets right here. So if you don't want to go to the trouble of securing all this, it's still not going to go anywhere. It's not going to blow up in the wind. Okay, so as you can see, it has zippers on the side or on the bottom. So you can open up on the side if you don't want to go, go dig all the way in here to pull something out, or it makes it easy access for your concealed carry if you're carrying that in your nutsack. You open the main compartment. There is plenty of room in here for everything. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And as you can see, I have all my writing in it. I put a little tiny admin pouch that I had for my chest rig. And in that, you see my flashlight that I carry everywhere. This is usually on my belt, but today it's in the nutsack just because I'm bringing this. Why wear it on my belt? Didn't want to clutter my belt today. Different writing instruments. My glasses cleaning kit, because like I said, this is EDC. This augments everything that goes in my pockets, and I use glasses cleaning solution and a microfiber towel every day. This is just another operating system for my phone on the SD card. in here is also something that you will also find in my pocket, which is a lighter. Anything else? Okay, yeah. That's it for this admin pouch. Little tiny micro screwdriver that I use for work all the time when I have to pull cards. I work in IT. Also, a lock picking kit, because sometimes we get locked out of things in a data center that we really need to get to, and somebody else has taken the keys home. Leatherman Wave with its associated toolkit. And what EDC component is complete without cordage? Okay, things that I haven't talked about yet in other videos. This is a Ride and Rain tablet that is also in the main compartment. Thumb drive that I need for things for work, various things. This looks just like my wallet, but this is a toss wallet. Purpose of a toss wallet is basically it's just a dummy wallet. You have your normal cards in here. That these cards, they'll have a couple gift cards, a couple of old credit cards, a travel card. It has a non-driver ID in it, which has a different address on it than my current address, and it has a few bucks in it. The purpose for this is if somebody wants to rob me, and I would never shoot somebody just because they're robbing me, but I also don't want to lose all my stuff. I give them my money. I give them this. I don't care. There's nothing in here of any value. It's got 3 or 4 bucks in it. This can save a person's life because they don't have to shoot you, or you don't have to shoot them. And I would never shoot anybody for stuff anyway. If it's not worth dying for, meaning I'm willing to give it up if somebody's at gunpoint, then it's also not worth killing for. That's my rule. Okay, so in addition, this has, I forgot to mention, this has Molly webbing in it. This webbing is very heavy duty. It's very well stitched. The ribbing in here for the pockets, things of that nature, very good. Very high quality. I can't really question anything on this nutsack or critique anything on the nutsack for the quality. Okay, in this pocket, just a standard fingernail clippers kit, more cordage. You can never have too much cordage. And a spare set of toenail clippers. This goes in, and when I first got this, I thought that this was going to wear out, but I have opened and closed this thing thousands of times over the years. Never wore out. Now, on the back, we also have another pocket. Typically, in this pocket, I just keep paperwork that I'm going to need for that day. And in here, this is for pulling a SIM card out of a phone, just in case. But, it's big enough just to keep an envelope or a few papers that you're going to need, that you need easy access to, or anything else you need easy access to. So, like I said, this one is about 2.5 years old. My daughters each have one of these that they also carry every single day. They have them with them right now. They're out here policing up garbage from the park because we have a lot of tourists down now this time of year, and people are less interested in keeping things clean than we are. So they like to clean everything up. So yeah, I would say if you're in the market for a new messenger style bag, this is definitely one to look at. a little spendier than the stuff on Amazon, but I've bought the ones from Amazon before, and trust me, they are a waste of money. This is about just about 200 bucks, something like that. And I got to tell you, it's worth every dime to me. This thing is never going to wear out. So I believe my next one is going to be a Nutsac tactical sling. I kind of like to have some molly on the inside. I don't really care for molly on the outside of packs because having molly on the outside of a pack makes you want to attach things to it. And when you attach things to the outside of the pack, those things get caught on trees and branches and everything else. So I don't like it. Just me, just a preference. Um, but this is all around great pack. And very comfortable. It handles a load very well. And if you buy one, it'll service you well. And I would say go ahead and buy one, because these are great. Okay, that's all for now. Like and subscribe, everyone.